Zelda. You can't really read this because I'm in a fort sort of thing. So since Fort Adventures hasn't been, getting uploaded because our fort got down, but I'm at my aunt's house and they have a tent, so that's be for Fort Adventures episode 2. So welcome to Fort Adventures. Fort Adventures episode 2. Sitting is boring, Mario. I know, this fort is boring. Daddy. Oh, shut up, baby Mario. I want mommy. You guys, we should discover the fort. Okay. Kick. Wowie. So. Me and David Mario. David Mario. Not me. No, I'm Uncle Luigi.